Hi students, am I late? Oh no, I am not. In fact, I was eagerly waiting to meet you again. Thanks Almighty Allah to give me a golden opportunity to meet you again. Students, in the last class, we learned what is article, classification of articles, and some special uses of indefinite articles. Isn't it? Students, did you understand properly the last lesson? Did you face any problem to learn the lesson? No? Fine. Today we are going to discuss definite articles. Students, do you know why we use definite article? Yeah, if we wish to particularize the noun, we use definite article. It is the same for singular and plural numbers and for all genders. Dear friends, let us learn some special uses of definite article. Some special uses of definite article. See. Students, number one, they is used before a person or thing, particularized. Please try again. Number one is the is used before a person or thing, particularized. Such as the girl is laughing. The girl is laughing. Students, in this example, the girl is particular one. The girl is laughing. In this example, the girl is particular one. Clear? Next, number two. The is used before a singular common noun to denote the whole class. Let us try again. The is used before a singular common noun to denote the whole class. Such as the rose is a lovely flower. Students, notice the example. The rose is a lovely flower. Here, the is used before a singular common noun to generalize the whole class. Clear? Here, the is used before a singular common noun to denote or to generalize the whole class. Clear? Number three, the is used before a adjective with plural noun to indicate the whole class. Dear friends, let us try again. The is used before an adjective with plural noun to indicate the whole class. Such as The poor are not always happy. The poor are not always happy. Students, notice the example carefully. The poor are not always happy. Here, the is used before an adjective, poor, to indicate a plural noun and a class of poor men. This is used before an adjective, poor, to indicate a plural noun and a class of poor men. Clear? Number 4. The is used before a noun which has become definite by being mentioned a second time. Let us try again. Number 4. Fourth use. Let us try again. The is used before a noun which has become definite by being mentioned a second time. Clear? Such as I have a garden. The garden is very nice. Students, let us notice the example carefully. I have a garden. The garden is very nice. In the first sentence, a garden is used for the first time, and in second sentence, the garden is used for a second time. So it takes definite article the before it. Clear? In the students, let us try again. In the first sentence, the word garden is used for the first time. So it takes indefinite article before it. And in second sentence, the word garden is used for a second time. So it takes definite article the before it. Clear? Number 5. The is used before a name of a thing which only one exists in nature. Let us try again. Number 5. The is used before a name of a thing which only one exists in nature, such as look at the sun. Students, notice the example carefully. Look at the sun. Here in this example, the thing, the sun, exists in nature only. The thing only exists in nature. Clear? So it takes a definite article the before it. Clear? Let us learn another use. Number 6. The is used before nouns for comparison to denote a type. Let us try again. The is used before proper nouns for comparison to denote a type. Such as students, notice the example. Rabindranath is the Shakespeare of India. Please notice carefully. Rabindranath is the Shakespeare of India. Students, the Shakespeare is used to compare Rabindranath with Shakespeare. Hence, the proceeds the proper noun. Students, let us try again. The Shakespeare is used to compare Rabindranath with Shakespeare. Hence, the proceeds the proper noun. Clear? Yeah. Number 7. The is used before a material noun and an abstract noun when it is particularized. Please, let us learn it again. The is used before a material noun and an abstract noun when it is particularized. Such as the goal of this ring is pure. Students, notice the example carefully. The gold of this ring is pure. The gold of this ring is pure. Students, we know gold is a material noun. Here, gold takes the before it as it is particularized. The gold material noun. Here, this material noun gold takes a definite article the before it because it is particularized. Clear? Students, let us learn another example and it is the last one. The is used before the name of a season, direction, river, sea, gulf, ocean, Group of islands, mountain ranges, shape, holy book. Before the descriptive geographical names, noted public places, important historical events, hotels, cinema houses, newspaper and dates. Before part is before an ordinal number written in letters in English. Before musical instrument, etc. Students, perhaps it is larger one. So let us try again and remember it. The is used before the name of a season, direction, river, sea, gulf, ocean, group of islands, mountain ranges, shape, holy books. Before the descriptive geographical name, noted public places, important historical events, hotels, cinema houses, newspaper and dates. It also used before superlative degree the name of nation or parties before an ordinal number written in letters in English. Clear? Such as the Punjab is a land of 5 rivers. Students, here D is used before a descriptive geographical name Punjab. Let us notice the example carefully. The Punjab is a land of 5 rivers. Here, D is used before a descriptive geographical name Punjab. Clear? Let us see another example. The Second World War is a sad event. Students, notice the example carefully. The Second World War is a sad event. Here, the Second World War refers to important historical events. Clear? So, it takes definite article the before it. Clear? Students, today we have learned about definite article in details. If you face any problem to learn the lesson, please tell me that in next class. Students, no more today. I hope you have been benefited by the online classes. Students, remember one thing, a stitch in time saves 9. So make the best use of your time. Allah Hafiz.